second the show started. We had alerts going off, and so things are kind of starting to ramp up, I guess you could say. We've got a line of storms approaching. Out ahead of that line, the National Weather Service is being proactive and alerting everyone ahead of the line that conditions may be favorable for a couple brief tornadoes later on this morning and into the early afternoon. That alert you heard was for Davie County, including Mocksville. They have a tornado watch until 1 o'clock this afternoon. More of our counties will likely be added to that watch as we go throughout the next few hours, but for right now, it's just Davie County. You step outside this morning, you can tell things are kind of unsettled, and there's probably some storms on the way. We're about 20 degrees warmer this morning than we were yesterday. That warm front starting to lift through the area, a wide variety of temperatures. It feels cool and stable in the mountains and foothills, but down here in the Triad, we're into the low 60s. Dew points are also creeping up into the low 60s as well, so we're getting some warmth, we're getting some humidity. That'll be some fuel for this line of storms as it moves through later on. This is kind of that corridor we're watching for a better chance of maybe damaging winds and a brief tornado later this afternoon. Because of that change in temperatures and that warm front moving through, we've got some fog out there as well, so you want to be careful on your way to church. Some of that fog could be dense. Most of us are dry for right now. You can see that yellow box right there is that tornado watch, including Mocksville, Statesville, down to Hickory and Charlotte. Just some light showers in the mountains for right now, but there's that big line of storms back off to the west. We've still got a few hours to go until it starts to move into the Triad, but it is on the way, and you can see these new tornado watches that have been extended into the Carolinas out ahead of that line. So I think by 9 o'clock this morning, that storm, or the line of storms, is starting to move into our western counties. By 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, that line's moving through the heart of the Triad, bringing a risk of maybe some strong winds, heavy rain, or a spin-up tornado. And then by 2 or 3, it's beginning to exit our area into eastern North Carolina. There could be a couple showers later this evening, kind of trailing that cold front, but our main show should be right around lunchtime today, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. That's a wide range. That's that window. We want you to be aware. Keep an eye on the forecast. We're going to have you covered here all day. Heavy rain and gusty winds are going to be our main concern, but again, cannot completely rule out that brief spin-up tornado risk across the Piedmont. Not only do we have the storms to talk about, we also have some gusty winds, even out ahead of the storms. Winds could gust 30 to 35 miles per hour ahead of that line of storms later this morning and into the early afternoon. So it's going to be a warm, stormy, unsettled kind of day for a couple hours here around lunchtime. That's that time frame we want you to be aware. It'll be warm and windy, very different compared to the weather we've had over the past few days. Near 60 in the foothills later this afternoon, 50s for the mountains. From west to east, that storm risk will gradually start to taper off as we go into the Sunday afternoon and evening hours. Overnight, we dry out. Monday looks fairly nice, low 60s, sunshine. Tuesday for New Year's Eve, there could be a couple spotty showers here or there, but I think by the time the ball drops at midnight, we'll be dry. For Wednesday and into Thursday, we're getting cooler and should be dry and sunny to start our first couple days of 2025. So stay aware today. We've got that severe weather risk. Tornado watch for Davie County until 1 o'clock. Low chance of some showers on New Year's Eve, and then we're dry and getting chilly through the first few days of January.